No. Hi, dude. Sorry I won't remember your name, but maybe I don't need your name. I need your professionalism. So, this is the phone. There's a big mirror here. To show you, this is the phone. The XZ Premium. Maybe you see that. That's why I hold this in the mirror. This is a chrome one. Okay, so my problem is about the last update. The last update to the Android 9. With this update, the great problem appears. After a master reset, the Android program is write not into the RAM, but into the ROM, the read-only memory. And when I want to master reset my phone, they don't reset my Android 7 or 8, I don't remember exact number. They are resetting the 9 again. This is what I try to avoid that. Because with Android 9, this phone is just become almost useless. It's slowing down to the level of Samsung S8 or S9. So this is why I bought this phone, because of the speed. And after this update, I'm lost everything positive in this phone. And I cannot use the phone as the old ways. So I have to you or maybe understand what I say when I bought this phone was fast, lightning fast. This is why I bought this phone, because I hate the slow phones. I need the speed. So after the last release of the Android 9, I cannot use the phone as the old ways, as I told you before. The main problem is, when I bought this phone, the seller said, this is a great one. And yes, this is a great phone. Oh, cold is coming in. It's January, and it's cold in here. Okay, so the seller told me, because I called him after the catastrophic event, he told me, sorry, Mr. Customer, we cannot restore your, well, anything. We can do the same you did. We can reset to the factory level. So we can push the factory reset button as you did. So don't expect any different. Everything will be the same. And you can call the service center in Hungary, because I'm living in Hungary, in Budapest. And the service center main manager told me, after you are upgrade to the level 9, to the Android 9, there is no way back. After the warranty loss, you can go to the black market. They will reinstall the Android 6, 7, 8, whatever you want exactly. And the phone is getting back the speed again, but you will lose everything. I mean, the warranty, the 2-year warranty of the Sony. Sorry, I can't hear your voice, because this is a video. Ah, shit. The Sony do not gives a 2-year warranty in Hungary. Oh, never mind. So my main problem is, if I change back to the Android 7, 8, something, you know, the original version where this phone is coming out with, I lost my warranty. Why I am lost the warranty when you fuck up my phone? So why is that? Why I cannot reset the old version of the Android? Because the Android 9 slows down my phone 50%. Yeah, before I forget to mention, the battery lifetime. The battery lifetime is about 3 or 4 days before Android 9. And now, with Android 9, I have 1 fucking day, like an iPhone X or as Android S9. So Android S9 or 9 Plus or whatever. So come on, I don't want a one-day phone. I want my old phone back. And this situation is... here's not my box. A previous phone is up there. I don't need to prove it, so just trust me. The old phone is still up there. It's a Sony Xperia Z2. And the Z2 is 1 day and a half on maybe 2 days phone and still work like a charm. This is my secondary phone. If this phone is broken or destroyed or blasted, whatever, I have a secondary phone to use and not a bullshit phone. So Z2 is still very acceptable today. So my real problem is, I say that a couple of times, I know, I need my old phone back, this phone, and I need a speed back. I need my days back using with one same recharging. Why you fuck up my phone? I don't exactly know why you force me to use the Android 9. I really do not want to use that kind of bullshit. I am unable to, you know about the Bluetooth speakers. Okay, here's an example, just a plate. So here's a Bluetooth speaker and I connect to this. I cannot adjust the volume with my phone. Why? What the fuck? My phone have a volume adjustment in the side, and in a Bluetooth speaker is do not change anything. If I set the volume to the maximum, just stays the same. I decrease the volume, it stays the same. If I turn down the volume into the mute, the sound is muting. But there is no adjustment, nothing. What the fuck you actually doing with my phone? So, in Hungary, nobody wants to help me. Nobody have interest to help me. In the Sony. And third, if somebody wants to help me and they have interest in it, this is a black market. And the black market is said, if we are help you, you will lose your warranty. And everyone knows the Sony flagships do not need a warranty because they are producing a quality phone. But here comes the problem. If I lost the warranty or doing something with the phone is illegal, you know, you must understand what I say. If I do something illegal with the phone, which means reducing the amount of Android in it, I have to lose the warranty because of your shitty job. So I can't accept that. So I have to rethink that 10 times or so. I have to sleep on it and rethinking. And I have made the choice because you are not able and you are not want to really help. To make this thing understandable, you are not a person. Yes, that's it. You are not a person. You are a company. And if you say something as a company. And I'm a person. From some kind of perspective, point of view, I am your boss. Because I am the one who is pays. And even this thing is true. Come on. I want my phone back. And I know already you don't really think to want to come my phone back or give my phone back. So whatever. So this is all my video all about. My phone is getting destroyed because of your shitty job. And I am really do not know what to do. I try to read all the forums about that, and everyone is screaming, do not accept the upgrade, and I'm not read the forums before the catastrophe. And after the catastrophe, there is no help. And actually, in the Sony officials, nobody even want to try help. This is the problem. And actually, I'm not even counting on you anymore to help me.